I joined sharp 11:45, but that time your math class was going on. That's why I left from the class and again joined after 2 minutes. Fill in the blank using I, you, he, she, or it. Yes, Mubasir.
Ma'am, mine means?
Mine mane me. Mine mane also I. Mine means also I.
Question number 5. That book is mine.
Yes, that book is mine means that book is mine mane nije Ramar.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Mine also similar to mine. This is my book. We say na, this is my book. So mine is also same.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Student, those who have completed, I will request to you, please drop your hand. But if you are having any question, just like Mubasir, you can ask me. Yes. Yes. Upama, I cannot hear you. Come closer to your device and speak loudly. No, beta, I cannot hear you.
C-U-D-D-L-Y. Goodly means?
Which?
C-U-D-D-L-Y.
Tell me the question number.
Sixth number of question.
Which
number of question of B.
Which one?
6. I have a pet cat that is soft and cuddly. Cuddly means?
Not cuddly, cuddly. Very loving.
Okay, ma'am. This means?
Very cute. Cuddling means very cute.
Okay, ma'am. And I am also competent.
Okay, wait.
I have competent. See my copy?
Right now I can't see you. Upama, you have to wait. Soft and cuddle. Cuddle means laughing. Soft, anything that is soft and covered with fur, especially for our pet animal. So student, I'm going to tell you the answer. Kindly check your copy. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you the answer. Kindly check your copy. Okay, those who have already completed, they are requested to check your copy. Okay. Fill in the blank using I, you, he, she, or it. I am a first runner. I. Okay. Dash is my brother. You can write he. You should write he. Are dash coming with me to the market? This is a question and asking to you. So, are you? Are you? Next, my aunt said that Dash is baking a cake. My aunt said that she is making a cake. Okay. She, he, you, this all will be in small letter. Okay, because middle of the sentence I am putting this, so write in small letter. That book is mine. I got it. Why I am using it? Because it is a thing. I got it as a gift from my friend. Dash should open your shoes before entering the room. You should. Rani has a new toy car. It is red in color. Okay. Tarun said that he is not feeling well. So you have to check here. You have to check the name that Tarun is a boy. Tarun is a boy, so we'll use he. He, one minute. Tarun is a boy and he is not feeling well. Dash want to be a doctor when I grow up. I. Why I? Because here it is written that I grow up. So practice this type of sentence. Dash are a helpful boy. Are means we know that here in the option you is there. So we will use you. You are a helpful boy. Okay. Now, my grandfather likes to walk. Dash goes to the park every morning. So here I will put he. Can you tell me why he? Because grandfather is a boy. I had lost my pencil, but my friend found it. Why it will be it? Because in this sentence we are talking about pencil. My name is Rahul. Dash, I am 6-year-old. It is very easy. Here I will write am. I, because we know that after I or before am always we write I. Before am always we write I. Please shut the door. Dash are sitting right next to it. Please shut the door. You are. Because we know that after she or he, we never write, we never use is, is. But after are, we write you. My mother likes to cook. Dash makes pizzas for me. Upama, mute your device. My mother likes to cook, makes pizzas for me. She. Because this sentence, we are talking about my mother. I have a pet cat. Dash is soft and cuddly. In this sentence, here it starts with I. So, I am talking about my cat. So, one minute. So, we are talking about the cat. I have a pet cat. Here we are talking about the cat. So, it will be eat. Because we know for animal and for things, we use it, eat. For animals and for things, we also use the pronoun it. So, I have a pet cat. It is soft and cuddly. I hope it is completed by all of you. I hope it is completed by all of you. Okay, only 6 minutes left. So now I am going to, student, I said every day that don't raise your hand. If you are having any problem, you can do it, but unnecessarily don't raise your hand. Okay, so now I just stop.